Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to make a PDF file in mobile. So let's start. Just go to Google Drive and then we are here on Google Drive. Just click on the plus symbol here, just click here and then just click on scan. So here on scan you can take a picture and turn it into a PDF file. So just click on take a picture, and when you take the picture here just click on accept and then just wait a little bit until this load, and you will see that it says scan PDF. So just click on save and appears here the file, and you can check it says PDF. Just click on save. Okay, that's a way to save the PDF file without any problem. Another way to do it is, for example, I have this picture here. Just click here on the three dots on the picture and appears these options. Just scroll down and go to print. Just go there, and as you can see, well, appears this information, these options. Just go to the option that says select a printer. Just click there, and as you can see, it says the option says as a PDF. Just click there, and as you can see, there is a symbol that says download the PDF. Just click there, and now you can save the PDF picture. So just click on save. That's the way to save another document as PDF without any problem. Now you have two ways to do it. The first is scan the picture, and then the second is turn into a PDF file when the picture is uploaded on your Google Drive. So guys, I hope this works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give like to this video.